everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Ajay Bhosle and today we have got something exciting line up. I recently ordered a special bike and car wash shampoo from Amazon and today we are heading out to pick up it. Along the way, I will give you a detailed look at my Pulsar NS200, share some bike care tips and show you how this product can help keeps your bike and your ride in top condition. Alright, let's kick things off with a quick overview of my Pulsar NS200. As you can see, it got a bit of dirt from our last ride and that's totally fine. A little dust is expected, but it's always important to maintain it regularly for our color shine. You can see the sleek design, the powerful engine and the overall performance that make it such a great bike. This is the India's fastest 200cc bike, the Pulsar NS200. The weather today is actually pretty good, not too hot, not too cold, perfect for a ride. Many people ask me why I love riding so much. For me, riding is like stress relief, no tension, no phone calls, only my bike, just engine sound and fresh air. Road condition here is not that great, but the suspension is handling it well. That's one thing I really like about this bike. It's comfortable for daily rides and as well as long rides. Sometimes you don't need a big plan for a good trip. Even a short ride like this can change your mood completely. Traffic is normal right now, so I will take it easy. Always remember guys, ride safe, wear a helmet and don't overspeed. I installed in my Pulsar NS200 the Acropovic R1M exhaust, which sounds good. I will show the small example of my Acropovic exhaust sound with TB killer. Alright guys, I have reached my spot. Just a small break, nothing special. Here I'm going to unboxing my Pulsar NS200 bike and car shampoo. Alright guys, I have reached my spot. Just a small break, nothing special. Here I'm going to unboxing my car shampoo and bike shampoo, which I ordered from Amazon. After that we will go to our room and I will show in the part second how to wash your bike with that shampoo and how to keep your bike shine long. Hey everyone, welcome back. So I have just opened my courier package, the parcel I received from the Amazon, and now I am on the way back home. It's always exciting to get a new package, right? As I ride back, I am looking forward to showing all what's inside the package. I know it's a can with shampoo. So after reaching at home, we are going to explore more information about it. The ride is pretty smooth today and the weather is just perfect. It's always a great feeling to be out on the bike, especially when you have something new to unbox. So let's head back and once I'm home I will show into the detail of product and get everything set up. Stay tuned and I will catch you in just a bit with the second part of this video. Stay connected with Traveler AJ YouTube channel. Use indicators while riding. Don't be a chapri rider, be a professional rider.
Bye. It's